Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best smart home gadgets is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving categories in consumer electronics today, offering a glimpse into a future where our living spaces are not just comfortable but also intelligent and responsive to our needs. From voice-activated assistants that control your lights and music to sophisticated security systems that keep your home safe and connected, these devices promise convenience, efficiency, and a touch of futuristic living. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the range and capability of smart home products are expanding exponentially, making it easier than ever to integrate these innovations into our daily routines and transform our houses into truly connected homes. Number 5. ZIUMIER PC and Console Gaming Headset. Step into the game with powerful 50mm drivers that deliver incredibly immersive sound. You'll hear every detail from every direction, placing you right in the heart of the action. Communicate with your team flawlessly thanks to the noise-canceling microphone. It isolates your voice from background noise, ensuring you're heard loud and clear. Enjoy extended gaming sessions with its lightweight design and comfortable, breathable ear pads. The adjustable headband ensures a perfect fit for any head shape. Connect seamlessly to your favorite platforms, including PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and more. It's the versatile audio solution for all your gaming needs. Easily manage your audio with the convenient inline controls. Adjust volume or mute your mic instantly, and enjoy the durable, tangle-free cable. Enhance your gaming setup with striking LED lights. Simply plug in the USB to activate the vibrant illumination. What we like. Experience unparalleled audio immersion with its powerful drivers. The noise-canceling microphone ensures crystal-clear communication. If you're a gamer seeking to be fully immersed in the action and communicate effectively with your team, this is the headset for you. What people say. The sound is actually phenomenal in my opinion. It's also very comfortable to wear for extended periods of time, and I love the mic controls. The actual mic piece is slightly bendable, which means you can position it closer to, or away from, your face. Number 4. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini Drone. This drone makes flying easy with one-click takeoff and landing, perfect for kids. Its 3D flips add an extra layer of excitement to every flight. With altitude hold, it hovers steadily at a fixed height. Headless mode keeps direction simple, offering a carefree experience for beginners. It offers 3 speed modes, low, medium, and high. This allows kids of different skill levels to enjoy a tailored flying experience. Propellers are protected by guards to keep little hands safe. An emergency stop feature ensures it lands immediately to prevent damage or injury. It's incredibly small and folds into the controller, fitting easily in your pocket. Take it anywhere for fun, indoors or out. This makes a cool Christmas toy gift for boys and girls. It's perfect for beginners who want a fun and easy-to-fly drone. What we like. Enjoy the thrill of flight with its user-friendly controls and stable altitude hold. Its compact, foldable design makes it incredibly portable. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-pilot drone that you can take anywhere, this is a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. What people say. It has removable blade guards, charges easily, and stores in its controller when not in use. Comes with an extra set of blades, screwdriver, blade removal tool. A stable flyer, easy to learn how to fly. It is easy to fly, with the altitude hold function which keeps it set at whatever height you want. Headless mode is good for new pilots. You don't have to pay much attention to which way the drone is headed, so forward is always away from you and back is always toward you, right is always right and left is always left. The controls are tight and responsive, and this thing can go. The speed is incredible. Running into walls didn't crash it, it actually corrected itself a few times. Occasional crashes done, but it didn't break anything, maybe need to adjust the arm back out from it folding in when it crashed. Number 3. Meland Kids Camping Set with Tent. Get ready for an exciting camping adventure with this all-in-one play set. It's designed for little explorers to enjoy the thrill of the outdoors, right at home or in the yard. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds, creating a cozy private space for your child. It's perfect for imaginative play, reading, or just having their own secret hideaway. Experience a true-to-life campfire that lights up, along with a working oil lantern and adjustable binoculars. These realistic accessories bring the camping experience to life. This pretend camping kit encourages independence and a love for outdoor activities. It's also a wonderful way for parents to bond with their children by teaching camping skills through play. This comprehensive set includes everything needed for pretend play, from a campfire and tent to binoculars and pretend food. It even comes with a handy backpack for easy storage and transport. Looking for a unique gift? This pretend play camp set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, offering hours of engaging fun for children aged 3 to 8. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything needed for an imaginative camping adventure. The pop-up tent offers a private space for little ones. If you want to foster a love for the outdoors and encourage imaginative play, this set is perfect for young explorers. What people say. The tent that came with it was huge. He's a big boy and he still has a lot of space in the tent. The little camp stove sounds pretty realistic and it's easy for him to do on his own. It all folds up into a bag and is easy to store. There is no assembly needed. Number 2. RELPOM Slushie Maker Cup. Tired of watered-down drinks? Our innovative cup freezes your favorite beverage into a smooth, flavorful slushie in just minutes. Experience pure, unaltered taste like never before. Making your own slushie at home is now incredibly simple. Just freeze the cup, pour in your drink, give it a gentle squeeze, and enjoy your refreshing treat instantly. Watch the amazing transformation as liquid turns into a creamy, icy slush right before your eyes. It's a magical and entertaining experience for kids and adults alike. Made from food-grade, safe materials, this cup is designed for your peace of mind. It's also washable and reusable, offering endless opportunities for icy fun. Looking for a unique gift? This creative cup is perfect for birthdays, parties, or as a fun surprise for anyone who loves cool gadgets and treats. What we like. Create delicious slushies in minutes with its innovative quick freeze technology. It's incredibly simple to operate, making homemade treats a breeze. If you love refreshing, icy drinks and want a fun, easy way to make them at home, this is a must-have gadget. What people say. The joy of creating our own slushies anytime we want is unbeatable, and this cup makes it incredibly easy. In just a few minutes, we have a delightful, icy treat ready to enjoy. The cup's design is user-friendly, allowing us to achieve the perfect slushy consistency effortlessly. Cleaning is a breeze, simple hand wash and it's ready for the next slushy making adventure. The cup is durable, showing no signs of wear despite regular use. Number 1. Depointer Life LED Mask. Introducing the Depointer Life LED Mask, a revolutionary way to express yourself. This mask brings your ideas to life with vibrant, customizable light. Control the dazzling display with simple hand gestures. It's intuitive, fun, and makes you the center of attention. Looking for the ultimate cool toy? This LED mask is perfect for teens who want to stand out and showcase their creativity. Struggling to find a unique gift? Surprise your favorite teen boy with this amazing mask for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or any celebration, this mask adds an unforgettable glow. Get ready to light up the party. What we like. Make a statement with this unique mask that lights up and responds to your gestures. It offers a futuristic and eye-catching look. If you're looking for a standout accessory for parties, Halloween, or just want to add some cool tech to your style, this mask is an excellent pick. What people say. Impressively bright and eye-catching LED display, the mask uses high-quality LED lighting and offers a wide variety of display modes, dynamic animations and static images, which makes it visually striking, ideal for parties, cosplay, Halloween or any nighttime event. Interactive and fun gesture control. Instead of fiddling with buttons, you can change patterns simply with hand movements, a gesture-sensing feature that feels modern and adds a fun, almost magical element to the mask. Comfortable and wearable for hours, with foam padding, pre-cut eye holes, adjustable strap, and lightweight build, the mask stays reasonably comfortable even when worn for extended periods, great for longer events or parties. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.